doing everything you do, we do what we do because we're commanded to, but also in the way Rasulullah showed us to. If you bring all this together, every single step you take, every movement you make, every thought you think becomes worship.
And imagine how easy this would make your life. Somebody, Ousama, waking up every day to go to work to make money because he have to pay the bills. This is wrong. This is, you always tell me this is intentions, facet intentions. Right?
I do. It's corrupt.
It's corrupt intentions, man. Yeah. You don't go to work to pay your bills. Actually, if you got the wrong intention and you're just doing it, and you're in a bad job, bad pay, you're dope, you're getting there. Dope, you're getting there. I think, man, you lost a lot. You lost the ajr of intentions. And if you had the ajr, God will change your hal.
Yes, He will. He will. And sometimes, a lot of times you go to people. I remember when I used to go for da'wah to invite people and remind them about Allah. Sometimes I'd visit like a liquor store. And when we were in California.
And buy a bottle.
Of course not. But I would go because it would be a Muslim owner inside. I wouldn't go and tell him this is haram. That's not hikmah. But I would go remind him about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. A lot of times they would say, al-amal ibadah. Amal, work, is worship, true, with the right intention, but you can't be doing something haram and call it ibadah. That's number one. Also, he's missing his prayers. So yes,
I'm working, I'm missing my prayers.
I'm missing my prayers. So is the prayer a command of Allah? It is. Is working a command of Allah? It's also a command of Allah, but it's like wahad bar fi khaltu u'aq fi ummu.
Habibi.
It's like someone that's so kind to his aunt, but he's cutting ties with his mom. You know what I'm saying?
Beautiful, man. This is beautiful said. Exactly. I looked at it. His mom. No, it's not right. You can't do that.
You can't leave this with this one's a higher priority.
Ousama, how many people watching right now, man? They're gonna increase their sunnah acts. They're gonna start take orders. I'm one of them, actually. Wallahi, man. Yeah. This podcast is not just for people, man. It's for me too.
Subhanallah.
I gotta get my things.
Learn how to sleep.
Learn how to. Yeah.
Do you sleep on your right side? Do you say Bismika Allahumma?
I sleep like this when I'm done with this.
I'm exhausted.
Oh.
For example, it's makruh to sleep on your stomach. This is one thing. Little things that you can do. It's also really good for you facing the qibla on your right side. A lot of times people in real estate or construction, they're designing homes. Imagine if you design the home with this intention. When I make the washroom, I make sure that when the person's going to be sitting to relieve themselves, that they're not facing the qibla. Little things like that in the design of the house. That when I set the bed in my house, I'm conscious, where is the qibla? So I set my bed in such a way that if I'm sleeping on my right side with my right hand below my head, it becomes worship.
Calculate this ajr. Calculate it.
But also, man, most people don't know this. Do you know that sleeping on the way of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he used to bend his feet a little and sleep on his right side with his left hand on his left thigh and his right hand below his cheek? It actually spells Muhammad. It's so beautiful. If you look at the person in that state, you could actually see the letter Mim Ha Mim.
That's all small sunnahs, right intentions in the right place. You're collecting ajr, man.
Subhanallah. The next level.
I need a banker, man, to calculate this.
Do you think we decoded the balance?
Man, if somebody did not, if somebody couldn't figure it out by now, he lost a lot.
Alhamdulillah.